Time to learn! Let's learn 50 irregular verbs in past tense.
Found. I found. I found a car. Did. I did. I did a puzzle. Caught. I caught. I caught a ball. Went. I went. I went to the park. Took. I took. I took a bath. Stood up. I stood up. Sat down. I sat down. Blew. I blew. I blew my nose. Bent down. I bent down. Came out. I came out. Ran. I ran. I ran a race. Hello. Said. I said. I said hello. Made. I made. I made a card. Ate. I ate. I ate a banana. Told. I told. I told a story. Had. I had. I had breakfast. Heard. I heard. I heard a story. Brought. I brought. I brought a book. Got. I got. I got a book. Taught. I taught. I taught English. Thought. I thought. Kept. I kept. I kept treasures. Slept. I slept. I slept on the floor. Left. I left. I left school. Felt. I felt. I felt cold. Bought. I bought. I bought an ice cream. Met. I met. I met a friend. Sent. I sent. I sent a letter. Built. I built. I built a tower. Lost. I lost. I lost my pen. Sold. I sold. I sold a book. Wrote. I wrote. I wrote a letter. Read. I read. I read a letter. Spoke. I spoke. I spoke to my brother. Broke. I broke. I broke a cup. Chose. I chose. I chose a color.
Gave.
I gave. I gave a box. Rode. I rode. I rode a bike. Sang. I sang. I sang a song. Swam. I swam. I swam 50 meters. Drank. I drank. I drank the milk. Fed. I fed. I fed the cat. Drew. I drew. I drew a picture. Flew. I flew. I flew a kite. Swept. I swept. I swept the floor. Threw. I threw. I threw a frisbee. Wore. I wore. I wore a dress to school. Held. I held. I held the hand. Paid. I paid. I paid $2. Grew up. I grew up.
Good job, kiddos. Just keep it up. See you next time. Bye.